Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change device name on your LG Gram laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar, then scroll all the way down to About section, and next to your current device name, click Rename this PC. Now provide your new device name without any space bars. For example, like this. Then click Next. And the changes will be applied once you restart your laptop. You can restart it now by clicking this icon right here, or do it later by selecting the respective option. I'm gonna restart the computer now so we can see the changes. Once your laptop is restarted, let's provide the PIN code to the account. And now let's go back to Start Settings, and right on the home page you can see the new name of your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.